Japanese, you can nominalize a verb, which means turning it into a noun, by placing koto after it. This is very useful as it allows you to talk about it as if it were a noun. For example, it allows you to use it with particles such as wa, ga, and o, which can only be used with nouns. For example, odoru koto ga suki desu. Odoru means to dance, and koto is a generic noun which means thing. So you can think of it as if it means the thing of dancing. Since it became a noun, we can now identify it with the ga particle as something that we like doing with suki. So literally translated, it means I like the thing of dancing, or more simply, I like to dance. However, be careful as you cannot use koto to nominalize verbs, which are the direct objects of verbs which express the use of your senses, such as miru or kiku. It also can be used when the verbs are the direct objects of the tomeru, tetsudau, and matsu verbs. For this we use no to nominalize instead, which I will cover in more detail in the next video. For example, 彼女はパーティーに来ないのを聞いた. Please follow for more Japanese tips.